Basically, in short, a Windows 11 user decided to abuse OneDrive, and OneDrive eventually said, screw you. Find the article and read it for yourself. I'll include the link in the description. How funny that the song in the background is called Cloud's Revenge. In short, this particular person was using OneDrive as a data transfer. And I see this quite often, and it almost never goes well. So, OneDrive is not really designed to do data transfer in such a way. You can do it, but you have to do it in small, manageable chunks. Otherwise, when you're doing it in big, massive uploads, OneDrive will say, no. As the author of this article states, this is not a sensible way to do, a data transfer. You do it from one drive to another directly. You don't use OneDrive or Google Drive for that matter as an intermediary where you put the software onto one computer and you link it all up and it has it start dumping up the files and then you put the other computer and you have it. No, no. I mean, I've set up a couple of different businesses with, OneDrive, and they're putting in multiple computers into one massive OneDrive, and it never goes as expected. Even when using commercial OneDrive accounts, when you've got multiple computers linked into one company OneDrive, you might have a user over here that names a file such and such, and then a user over here names the file a different file, the same file name, and then you got conflicts, and then it doesn't. It just never works right, and you're using 30 years worth of information like that. That's going to cause a conflict eventually because you're going to come across the same file names. We're human. We like to recycle names. So do it right or hire a professional to do it for you.